What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be doing a review on the Ego battery powered lawnmower. This is the 26-inch 56 volt battery powered lawnmower. The runtime is estimated at about 60 minutes, and it's cordless as well. You just charge it and go. I would say it's been a pretty good lawnmower so far. I had it about a year, and I would say the battery probably drained a rough estimate of 3 minutes, so to say. So I'll probably get about, instead of 60 minutes, I'll probably get about 55 minutes of runtime after a year of having it. But I kept it stored pretty well. I keep the battery stored pretty well, not in the garage. Put it in the house somewhere, stored in a cool area so it preserves the battery. So all in all, this lawnmower is pretty decent. I got it from Lowe's. It was on sale for like about $700. Now, one thing I would recommend is, or give advice on, is that once you get these lawnmowers from like a Lowe's, they crack down on the return policy. Even if you get like a 2-year warranty on it, that doesn't mean that you could take the lawnmower back whenever you want to and get your money back. It's not like Amazon where they just accept anything. So if it passed the 10-day or 30-day, 60-day, however long Lowe's has it to where you can return any item, you have to return it within that day. Otherwise, if you get the 2-year warranty on it or anything like that, it just replaces any parts. Or you take it to Ego themselves, you got to ship it to Ego, and they'll replace the parts for you. But they not, or they'll possibly give you a free lawnmower in a replacement, but they're not going to give you your money back. So say like me, I wanted to eventually get my money back on this thing because I wanted a riding lawnmower. My grass grows really fast, so I wanted a riding lawnmower, and I couldn't take it back, so I'm stuck with it. So get a riding lawnmower eventually, but right now I'm having fun with this. It's serving its purpose. So one thing I like about this lawnmower is that it's very compact. You can store it anywhere, the way it folds down and everything. But to get this thing started, all you do is just press this handle right here, and you'll lift it up, lock it in place. And then once you do that, you get these two ends right here. Lift it all the way up, lock it in. And last but not least, you're gonna put this battery in this compartment, shut it, and this right here is the lever, so you can change the height, what type of cut you want. It goes up to 6 gears. Today I probably put it on a 3 or 4. So it won't bog down as much. That's one thing about, I guess, these electric lawnmowers. Like, you don't have it on the right height, sometimes it can bog down, but you'll see in the video that it gets a good cut. Like, you just gotta work with it and unbog it. Like, just tap the lawnmower a little bit to get all the clogged grass out the way. But other than that, like, it's a great lawnmower. I like it. Hey guys, after cutting the front and backyard, as you can see, I still have a little bit of battery left. Oh. I still got a little bit of juice. That's probably about 20 minutes worth of juice. So yeah, it gets the job done. It runs 50 to 60 minutes like it says it would, but I will highly suggest a riding lawnmower if your front and backyard is a good decent size. I suggest one of these right here if you just got a little plot of land, like very minuscule, like one of those cookie cutter homes. Hey guys, now I would recommend this Ego weed eater trimmer. It's really nice. It runs about 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, and you can put this battery in the blower as well. So the battery is versatile. It's a 56 volt 2.5 AH battery.
That's why I told you. Before the night, shut it only talk too much. I was thinking what I'm a one girl, promise me don't touch.